How you doing, Algebra 1 students? We're on page 21 in book 2 of the Algebra 1 booklet in section L 7.2, right up here. Okay. So let's just go through this problem. It's a long problem, so we're just going to take our time going through it so we understand how to go through all these questions, okay? So let's read it first. Freddie decides he wants to lose some weight before his daughter gets married so he can fit into his suit. During the past year, he broke his leg and has not been able to exercise. Since he and his wife love to barbecue at Makaha Park, Beach Park every weekend, he packed on a few pounds. Luckily, his doctor just found a new diet and exercise routine for him now that his leg is healed. After 30 days, he found out his weight is continuing to decrease linearly. On day 20, his weight was 220 pounds. On day 30, today, his weight was 215 pounds. So here's the first question. Explain how his weight is changing in terms of the number of days since he began the program. Okay, so he began the program on day 1. And all what we have is information on day 20 and day 30. But it says here his weight has been continuing. I think that's the key word here. Continuing to decrease linearly. Okay, one second. Just let me go back to some of the other pages in the book. Okay, sorry about that. So the key word here is continuing to decrease linearly. Okay, those are the two key words there. So explain how his weight is changing in terms of number of days since he began the program. We don't know exactly what his weight was when he first began the program from the information that he gave us that we have here right now. All what we know is that between day 20 and day 30, his weight is 220 pounds, and on day 30, 215 pounds. So it's a net loss of 5 pounds. And because this is 10 days here, for every 10 days, he's losing 5 pounds. Okay? How many pounds does his weight change per day? So if it's 10 days period, he loses 5 pounds. That would mean he is losing a half a pound a day. Okay, everybody can see that? Okay, write an expression to express change in pounds per days of exercise. We just did that right there. He's losing half a pound per day, which is D. Okay? He's losing, so I guess I'll I'll put a negative sign there, just to make sure that we understand he's losing. Next question. How much weight will he lose after 60 days of the program? 60 days. Okay. Hang on for a second.